Yes. Check here, we have created two node cluster. We can monitor directly by using these DMVs we have seen. As well as here, we can monitor by using this failover cluster manager. Let's say we go to clueadmin.msc. Okay. We have seen under roles, we can see SQL cluster information. Check it, this is our clustered instance. Just now we have installed. Okay, yes. Okay, check here under resources, we can see this is our virtual name. This is our virtual IP. These are the clustered services. Here we have seen like SQL 2, disk 2 is our shared disk. Here in local drives, we have seen bin and install folders are created here in both the nodes. Okay. Check here, bin and install folders are there. See, these folders are created in what local drive in both the nodes. But remember in the shared drive, we have taken this R as a shared drive. Here see, 6 subfolders are created, remain. Okay, that's remember like all the backups, databases, error logs, all are there here in this shared folder. Okay, shared drive. Right, right. So that is like how we can see, like yeah, how we have installed here clustered instance. So with two node cluster we have configured. Okay, so like this here from failover cluster manager we can monitor. The same way by right clicking here, see we can see if any errors are there. We can see here show critical events. Okay, cluster related errors we can see here if any errors are there. In the same way, like we can perform failover also here from here. Let's say right now server 1 is active node which is processing the user queries. Let's say I want to make server 2 as active node. Check here, right click on the instance, move, select node, select here server 2. Server 2, which is I want to make what? Server 2 instance as active node. Okay. I want to make this server 2 instance as what? Active node. Right. Right. Okay. Say okay. Yeah. So check your failover started. See. Now server 2 is becoming active. Right. Okay. Yeah. Check here like now say like running it is saying server 2 is what? Active node it is saying. Go back to here, check here by running the query. Previously remember this server 1 was active node. Now if I run the command, it is showing server 2 is active node. Like this here manually we can do failover. That's why we can monitor here from failover cluster manager as well as we can do failover. Manually we can do the failover operations here. Okay, from this failover cluster manager. Okay, okay. Now check here like we have seen. Here see right now node 2 is active node, right? That's why node 2 services are running. In node 1 services are not running here right now. Okay. Tomorrow, if something happened, suppose let's say suddenly this node 2 was restarted suddenly, for example, unexpectedly node 2 is down, then remember node 1 becomes active node automatically. Take here manually we can do failure. So automatic failure option is also available. Okay. Yeah, stopping the services. So here if I go back to failure cluster managers here, immediately failure process is initiated. Owner has here server 1 has become what? Owner. Okay. Yes. Check it. So again, check it now server 1 is active node. Like this manually we can force failure as well as automatic failure option is there here as part of failure cluster. Okay, right, right. Okay, tomorrow's here if you want to apply some patches, first we have to apply the patch in passive node. Okay, once the patch is applied successfully, restart one time, then perform failure. We have to apply here. Yeah, in the next passive. Okay, right. Like this, like we can monitor failure cluster from failure cluster manager, or by using the commands we can monitor. And second point we have seen manually we can do failure as well as we have automatic failure options. Both the options are available with us. Manual failure as well as what automatic failure options. Okay, right.